guys, welcome to our first Express English session. Today we're going to talk about texting and the acronyms and all the abbreviations that nowadays the millennials are using. Stay tuned. The world of internet slang can be difficult to navigate, even for those who grew up with the instant messenger and texting. The internet can be a confusing place, even for those who are using it every day. In fact, the internet slang words have transformed language, so it's crucial to learn the common phrases. In a world full of messengers and chat rooms, the use of internet abbreviation became very natural, and it is evolving on a daily basis. Basically, the millennials were those who created and popularized the use of internet chat abbreviations. Short and common words, word combinations, and even sentences have become a part of tweeting and instant messaging. Some people call it internet slang because most of the abbreviations are mostly used in informal conversations of specific groups in the social media. Some people call it internet slang because most of the abbreviations are mostly commonly used in informal conversations of specific groups in the social media. While the typical slang of the British English, American English, or Australian English are usually localized, the internet abbreviations are universal. So what makes the people abbreviate? Could be the limited characters they can use in a tweet, Instagram post, or a text message, or just to save some time and effort on typing. So that's why people stop using the long and beautiful phrases and words and replace them with acronyms and abbreviations. So here are some of the most common ones that I'm sure you've heard and probably using them. So first we're going to start with BRB, which is be right back. And then we have IMO, in my opinion, or by the way, or LOL, laughing out loud. Then we're going on to TGIF, thank God it's Friday, which I'm sure we all are using it every Friday. Then we go SOB, which is stressed out bad. Then the happy birthday to you, talk to you later, I don't know, rolling on floor laughing. And then we have let me know, YOLO, shaking my head, never mind, of course. I know, right? Then moving on to BFF, best friend forever, I don't think so. Then we have Instagram, I love you, see you later, thanks, direct message, just kidding, in real life. And then we have on my way, as soon as possible, no comment. There we have it, the most popular current internet acronyms and slang words, which will obviously keep you updating with the new trends. So which ones do you mostly use? Comment below if you know any other internet slangs or acronyms that we might have missed. Thank you for your time, have a good day ahead, and stay tuned for our next session.